We're now going to find the equation of the line joining A 3,8 and B 5,14 by the alternative method. So first of all we're going to have to derive the gradient. So the gradient is 14 take 8 over 5 take 3, giving me a gradient of 6 over 2, which is a gradient of 3. So now we're going to use y minus y1 equals m lots of x minus x1. So I'll use this one here. So y minus 8 equals m, which we found to be 3 lots of x take 3. Multiplying out gives me y minus 8 equals 3x take 9, and rearranging gives y equals 3x take 1. So using this approach, we've got m is 5 take minus 1 over minus 4 take 8, which is it's positive 6 over negative 12, which gives me a gradient of negative a half. So substitute a y minus y1 equals m lots of x minus x1. That would give me y minus 5 equals negative a half lots of x minus 4. So working through that, I have y minus 5 equals negative a half x minus 2. At that point, if I multiply everything through by this a half here, I have 2y minus 10 equals negative x minus 4, and rearranging from there I could reach the point 2y plus minus 6 equals nothing. That's a very tidy way to leave it, but if we do want it in the form y equals mx plus c, which isn't necessary at this point, but what we could have is 2y equals minus x plus 6, and simply divide by 2 gives us y equals negative half x plus 3. This one here isn't necessary, because usually we're asked to leave it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. And so your question to test your understanding is find the equation of the line 2, negative, the line joining A 2, negative 4 and B negative 3, 5. Press pause and have a go. So first things first, gradient minus 4 minus 5 over 2 minus 3, which is minus 9 fifths. So in we go, we've got y minus y1, well, y1 is negative 4, equals m lots of, so that's 9 fifths lots of x minus x1, which is 2. So at this point we've now got y add 4 equals minus 9/5 x minus 2. At this point I'll be a little bit savvy in what I'm doing. I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So that gives me 5y plus 20 equals minus 9 lots of x minus 2. Multiply out the bracket gives me 5y add 20 equals minus 9x add 18. And then if I tidy that up a lot more, I could have 5y add 9x, and then 20 take the 18 is add 2 equals 0. So there's the equation of the line. If I wanted this back in the format y equals mx plus c, so perhaps I could examine the gradient again or the y-intercept, I could take what I have here, and if I then take 9x and take 2 from both sides, I have 5y equals minus 9x take 2. Then just divide everything through by 5, minus 9/5 x take 2/5. So I've got still a gradient of minus 9/5, and the y-intercept is at negative 2/5.